Hello everyone, this side Samaria here, the Serenity Kantamil guys, presenting to you all today the 47th episode of the 7 p.m. series, guys. So without wasting any time, let's just go to screen and see what are the best stocks to trade tomorrow, guys. So a lot of you guys were not respecting me, requesting me. Respect to sala tum karte nahi ho. Requesting me that Samaria, could you please make the video in English because we are not able to understand because we are from South India. So what I'm actually thinking and planning is, guys, it will be a simultaneous days, guys. Okay, so one day it will be completely Hindi, one day it will be completely in English. Okay. So those of you who actually don't understand English or Hindi, either way you will be able to get the ideas, guys. Okay, but still I will try to make it up in English sometimes, because I'm making a content, right. Actually, it is every day making like 20 plus minutes of video, so it is not easy for me to understand like multiple things at a time. But still, I'll try my best, guys. Okay. So let's just see the analysis, guys, for Nifty today actually. So if you will see the things, guys, like Nifty was having a very critical area of support, resistance here, right? So first time, second time, almost third, fourth, now fifth actually. So like we have been already been talking about Nifty 50 for a long time, and yesterday also I told you that, boss, today for expiry I'm having no like framework actually. Okay, like whether the Nifty is going to be going up or it is going to be going down. Okay, but I was sure enough that today we will be getting some amount of trending market. Okay, and if you can see this thing, it actually opened gap up, it tried to go up. Okay, came for a swing pullback. Listen to this very carefully, guys. Okay, because this is very much important. Okay, see this thing, market open gap up. Okay, basically, okay, came down. Okay, this is a swing. Now this swing, the moment market was at this area, right, it actually broke up this swing. Okay, and it continued with the rally. Okay, this was the area and this was the point of 15,900 where you could have entered. Okay, guys, after that market went into sideways trend, it went up down, it was entirely sideways. Okay, I was seriously expecting that market will be giving good momentum after 2 p.m. Okay, but it didn't happen. Okay, because 950 it was taking a good resistance area here. Okay, so it came down and again it closed below. So somewhere around like I actually traded in Bank Nifty. Okay, I'll be telling you exactly where actually, I traded as well. Okay, so in Nifty again I didn't trade. Okay, but again the point was कि आपको entry कहाँ लेनी है मेरे भाई, ठीक है? So this was the entry point, boss. Like as I always mention, this is the first point of area, ठीक है? Let's just use this. So this is the first point, came down. So when the market is actually making a swing, right, if when it is breaking and it is about to break, you should be very much be ready at this point. Okay, trading indices in options and future is not easy, guys. Okay, so only do this thing if you have a very high level skill, of using the three things, sorry, your eyes, your brain and your fingers at a lightning speed. I used to teach these things to my students for such a long time, and in every mentorship program, I keep this thing repeating like a crazy person. Okay, the thing is, the things that your eyes are actually watching on the screen, is your brain able to comprehend and understand those things in a very psychological level or not? And whatever your brain is understanding and comprehending the gist or the analysis, are your fingers actually working on the computer screen or the mobile screen according to that or not? So it is a complete synchronization of your eyes to your brain to your fingers, guys. This is how we work into trading in the scalp. This is the whole ideologies. Okay, so the point was when it was going up and it was coming down, and again when the swing was actually about to move, right, so you could have entered here. Okay, this was your single stop loss, a recent swing, and you could have captured this move. And again, I always keep on saying this, like the scalping trades for Nifty, personally what I do is, boss, I scalp for like 15 to 20 points is more than enough. Okay, in a scalping trade, whereas in Bank Nifty this scalping can be going for say 30, 40, 50 and even 100 points as well. Okay, depending on the scenarios. So like personally speaking, this was a good trade setup. Okay, like again बहुत सारी चीजें यहाँ पे आपको इकट्ठी देखनी पड़ेंगी, बॉस. ऑप्शंस का भी मतलब I'll say इसको छोड़ दो, but understand the context of the chart. Okay, the things what I'm trying to explain you here. Tomorrow what will happen, guys? Okay, see, understand this thing. Market has actually shown a rejection at this point. Okay, so market has actually shown a rejection. So until or unless Nifty is going to break this recent swing, I'm not going to be going bullish. Reason being, because this was the entire resistance zone which recently market has gone up. Okay, tested. Okay, but it has not gone significantly up, and I've been telling you this thing for such a long time, boss. Like market is into a zone. Okay, if you will see this thing easily, right, market is into a zone. And like I so many times say this thing, like whenever the market is into a zone, right, you trade for the buying trades in the support areas and you sell at the resistance zone. So tomorrow is Friday, and just like always I say that the behavior of the market is always in the topmost shelf. Okay, so tomorrow if the market, if it goes above this swing and if it gives the closing on 15,950 above, and if it sustains, in that case only it is a buy, otherwise I'm going to go short. Simple reason, boss, because this is a critical area, and again support and resistance are areas, right? It is never the fact that this is, if this level is broken, this is support, this is resistance. No. Now a point is, boss, earlier this was the support, resistance, right? This time if you can see this thing, I'll show you. This is a very important and minute thing, but this will be providing you an edge. Okay, see this thing. Earlier the resistance was almost like 15,900. Okay, next time market moved just below the area. Okay, like it didn't even try to touch 15,900. People who were expecting that, oh boss, market is gonna cross this area, okay, let's just go bullish, okay, because this is such a bullish candle, now it is going to go up. Boss, in the very next candle market has shown that it is not going up. Okay, sellers are coming to the picture and again they push the market down. Here again market tried to gap up open and it fell down drastically. Okay, see this thing. At this point also market was bullish, but again sellers dominated the market, and here again also. So now this time the market has actually gone up beyond all the resistance areas, but still it is going to be into negative sentiment only if it continues further down. Okay, if it goes above this area then it is going to be bullish. Now I'm going to be finding the shorting opportunities. If you see simple this thing goes, boss, there is a very steep trend line. Okay, and again the kind of price action that the Nifty 50 is making, I already been telling you, it is a labor move, of course, so it will be giving you some kind of jahar niklan pakriya, which I call it as this correction, of course. So we can see actually tomorrow is Friday, of course, so market can actually give a very good rally, okay, for the downside. So let's just be prepared, okay, because this is a trend line, of course, and the moment it gives the closing below like this area, right, and if it goes below 15,900, we can easily see almost 15,850 or even below than that. Let's just see how the market reacts, because every area downward is going to be acting as a support. So 15,850 is going to be acting as a support, then 800, then again this gap is also pending there, so this gap is also be acting as a support. So I don't know now what is the next strategy. Okay, this will be, I will be discussing after tomorrow's complete analysis of the weekly candle, okay, once it is getting completed. But before that, I'll tell you one thing. If market tomorrow gives something like this, okay, if it is a bearish candle, something like this, or if it tries to come down and again if it gives a great pullback at the second half or after say 2 p.m. or 3 p.m, like something like that, if a rally comes, right, then let's just be sure about it, boss, Monday or the next week is going to be a greener one. Okay, and again I'll be doing the analysis for the next week, of course, but let's just see what are the things going to be. Okay, but right now I guess I have analyzed the things enough for you. Okay, let's just see. Tomorrow it is a buy only if it brings above the resistance zone, that is 15,950 areas only. If it sustains above that swing, then only it is going to be a buy, otherwise I'm going to be getting a shorting position only, boss. That is all. Make sure you follow the trend line very strictly. Okay, in Nifty always keep a stop loss of like say 20 to 30 points. Okay, whereas in Bank Nifty the stop loss can be actually like it varies from 50 to 80 to 100 points as well. Okay, depending on the market scenarios. Okay, if it is more volatile, of course the stop loss will be like tricky one. Okay. So this is the analysis of Nifty 50. If you don't get to understand this thing, एक बार वीडियो को दोबारा देख लो मेरे भाई. मैं मोटी मोटी आपको यही चीज बोल गया हूँ. 15,950 के ऊपर अगर सस्टेन करता है तब बाय है, अदरवाइज मैं तो शॉर्टिंग या सेलिंग की अपॉर्चुनिटी देख रहा हूँ. दैट इज ऑल. ठीक है. Moving forward, guys, Nifty Bank. I've been already been telling you for such a long time, boss. Bank Nifty is much more stronger than Nifty as of now, and if this time Nifty Bank gives a rally, that is the only reason why Nifty will be going up. Okay, तो निफ्टी को ऊपर लेके जाने में सिर्फ बैंक निफ्टी का हाथ होने वाला है. So that is the point here. So if you will see today again, like Bank Nifty has been a stronger candidate here. Yeah, I'll tell you one thing. Where did I took the entry, boss? So in the morning, boss, there was a big bearish candle, of course. After that, market went up. It gave the pullback. Now again, this was a point, boss, which I was keeping an eye. Okay, I entered somewhere here. I made good amount of money. I did the scalping trade. Afterwards, I exited actually. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, from this point onwards, from this point onwards, okay, 35,800. I captured the move till 100 points. Okay, easily scalping done. Okay. So tomorrow, guys, simple thing for Bank Nifty as well. Okay, if you see the daily time frame chart again, it has actually given the closing above entire range. Okay, this was the resistance, this was the resistance, so it has given the closing. Okay, all on above the entire resistances. Okay, so simple rule, boss. 36,000 is a whole number. So we will be seeing tomorrow again. Okay, if Nifty 50 is getting like a positive momentum, if Bank Nifty is getting a positive momentum, so of course we will be buying off. Okay, on a smaller time frame chart you can see this thing. This is the trailing, boss, which is coming through. So if Nifty Bank actually sustains above this trend line, right, on the like say 30 minutes time frame chart, yeah, this is again the same trend line, okay. So if it sustains above this trend line, if any trend line, okay, if any candle gives the closing above that, and if it sustains above that, okay, then only I'm going to buy, and I will be buying of course 36,000 call, okay. But tomorrow again we can see some volatile, ठीक है. That is all. बाकी लाइव मार्केट में बात करेंगे, देखते हैं क्या होता है, ठीक है. I told you yesterday only, right, about HDFC Bank. Simple rule was there, boss. Like this was a doji pattern. I don't know how many of you are actually trading on the simple ideas. See, the problem with most of the people is, boss, they try to, like put all the things on the chart. Have you ever seen my chart, boss? I never do any kind of shitty things, okay? It is a very plain, simple figure. I don't use any indicator. I don't use any kind of shitty stuff. Simple price action, the behavior I use it, okay? Sometimes I use some of the indicators, of course. It is not the fact, but again, the point is, if you are not able to understand the easiest way, right, you will never be able to, like मैगी बना के फायदा नहीं उसका चार्ट का. कोई साला RSI लगा लो, MACD लगा लो, बुलिंजर बैठ, अबे दिमाग की दही करके रखी है उसकी, कुछ भी नहीं समझ लगेगा फिर, ठीक है. You will be only be able to eat one food at a time. Either you can eat breakfast or dinner or lunch, okay. If you try to jumble up all the things all at once, and if you will be saying, oh man, I only eat once in a day, so let me just fix up a time, and my body can actually sustain it, boss. Within 30 days or 1 month of like within a short span of time, right, you will be exhausted like crazy person, okay. So understand this thing, make the simple things simple, don't complicate the simple things, because if you try to do that shit, and if you try to be over smart, थप्पड़ पड़ेगा मार्केट में. ठीक है. तो यहाँ पे सिंपल सा लॉजिक था, like if you would have actually done the same logical thing here, right, again that would have actually made you good amount of money, okay. And again, if you will see this thing, right, in Nifty HDFC Bank as well, and I mentioned this thing last time also, that if HDFC Bank is going to give you good momentum, right, we will be seeing good amount of momentum, right. And again, I was very much bullish. Again, I was telling you that, boss, like if it sustains up that, because this is a critical support area, right. Last time HDFC Bank rallied from this point only, and again it is going to rally up from this point only, okay. So you should be working on the high probability trades, okay guys. So tomorrow again I'm telling you, if HDFC Bank gives the good rally, okay, that will be a good momentum for the Bank Nifty as well, okay. We can see good amount of rallies, okay. So it has been such a long time, okay. It has been already been making a flag and pole pattern as well. If you see, this is a pole and this has been a flag actually. So it actually once breached the flag, okay, but again it fall down again. So this time again, let's just see if it is going to continue or not, okay. Anyways, that is all in this video, okay. That is all in this analysis for the HDFC Bank. This was a good amount of trade. Those of you who made money, guys, just comment down in the description below, okay, that you are actually trading the ideas that I'm actually sharing in the WhatsApp, that I'm sharing in the Telegram, or the 7 PM series, if it is helpful for you or not, okay. उसके बाद guys, in the morning only I shared this simple idea, okay, of MEP. If you see this thing, right, okay, Apollo Tyre, boss, it has given a good profit yesterday. So yeah, Dogecoin actually looks good, boss. This is the Dogecoin chart pattern on 1 day time frame. So I feel it is also making a like a crazy pattern, okay. And any single day, it will be making one OCS setup, okay. OCS simply means one candle setup, but again, that is not going to be a huge big candle, I feel, but a decent amount of money can be made, okay. Like this can actually be taken as a positional or swing trade, okay. Just keep an eye. So yeah, perfect OCS setup of Wipro, and again today also Wipro has given a good amount of rally. Then we talked about Tasty Bites, but again the Tasty Bite chart was not given the closing of the trend line, so the trade actually didn't got initiated actually. Even though if you would have traded as well, still like the stop loss was very small, boss. 300 rupees points was stop loss for 19,000 rupees of stock. That is a very small stop loss, okay. MEP guys, I told that 9:18 only, like 15 market starts, 16, 17, 18. Buy SL26, hold for the day, but again still it gave a good amount of profits. If you will see this thing, MEP, boss, 9, 15, 16, 17, 18, somewhere at the day's low only I told you, okay, somewhere here. And from this point onwards, I was seeing that MEP has gone up actually 7% in a single day at some point. So I don't know if you would have booked the profit somewhere here. I actually told you to book the profits, okay. If you're getting a good amount of profits, guys, just book it up, okay, because market, Friday, Thursdays, this happens, okay. I don't want to be like making the false commitments to you, boss, but again, I always been telling you this thing. If in a small amount of time the stock or any kind of price action, if it gives you huge momentum, right, try to book some partial profits or exit from that stock, like say 60-80% of the quantity, and hold the remaining quantities only with the, like say, cost to cost, okay, stop loss. For example, if I'm buying the stock of MAP at say 26.24 and the stop loss is itself 26, boss, still it is a very good trade, okay. Stop loss of only 25 paisa, and from 27 till 27, boss, crazy. Like 1:4, 1:5 risk to reward I'm getting actually here. That was a great setup, guys, for MEP. Uttam Steel continuously fifth day today it has been, guys, and it has made upper circuit. This is the power of stock selection, okay, guys. So if you understand those things, that is great. Datamatics today it has made the upper circuit 20%, guys. So this is also a one candle setup. I don't know how many can actually spot it out or not. But again, understand this thing. This was a stock that I had actually recommended around 150 areas, okay. I had actually this thing in my portfolio for a very lower level, I feel 135 or so. I have actually posted a screenshot as well. Yeah, 145 around. So 145, 150, I recommended again that, boss, this is a stock that you can actually hold in your portfolio. And if you can see this thing, I'm already getting 47% of reward on my investments, guys. And this has only been, like, say, how many days? Hardly like 15-20 days, if I'm not wrong. This is the only amount of time, boss, when this stock has given a huge amount of momentum, okay. So Datamatics has been a great investment, okay. So Marine also looks good. This was also the chart. So this is an accumulation zone. I have already been telling you that from 55 to 60 you can actually accumulate, and you can actually keep on buying this stock, okay, if you want, for the long term investments, okay. So that is there. After that, guys, Orient PPR, this stock we actually bought with a stop loss of 30, which actually got hit, so no problems in that, okay. 943 we bought, ORIENT PPR, okay. So yeah, 940 somewhere, yeah, somewhere here actually we bought, okay, and the stop loss was 30 rupees. So like it hit actually almost at 2:45 p.m. somewhat, okay. But again, I'll frankly tell you, I had this stock for some time, because it is supposed to give dividends as well, and again the price action which it was making, I was expecting that it will be getting the momentum from this support area only, okay, because this was the area critical zone, right. So again, see, guys, I'll tell you one thing frankly, my stop losses are very small, but my risk to reward is very huge, okay. If you already been following my videos, or if you already been following me on Telegram regularly on the live market, boss, you would be making a good amount of money, that is for sure, okay. But again, understand this thing, if your stop loss is getting hit, don't come crying to me, okay, because this is the price that you pay for the risk to reward, okay. Simple. If you already know that, boss, like this is a stop loss, and if I'm actually oversizing my position, I have never seen a dumber person than you, okay. So please make sure you understand the risk to reward along with the position sizing. For example, let me just tell you how to actually take the position sizing, okay. Let's just say this is a stock that we have purchased for, say, at here, okay, like say 30.50 rupees. Let's just say we are purchasing the stock and the stop loss is 30 rupees. 50 paisa is the stop loss, correct? I cannot go on buying 1 lakh quantities of this, okay, because 1 lakh quantities if I'm buying, okay, 50 paisa means 50,000 rupees of loss I'll be having. So don't do that shit, please. Only book or only take the stop loss, or if you already know the stop, what is the stop loss, boss, you should be making the stop loss in such a way that the amount, if you are okay to lose, then only proceed further. Let's just say I took some almost 700 quantities in this, okay, in the morning, okay, 700 quantities. So 700 quantities somewhere here, okay, at 30.5, and I am exiting at 30. So my loss is how much, guys? Tell me in the comment section below. If I am buying 700 quantities, and if I am buying the quantities at 30.5, what is my maximum loss, guys, which I am supposed to get if I am buying 700 quantities? Comment down in the description below, okay. That is how I plan it out, okay. Now that is done. After that, the next stock that we talked about was Bandhan Bank, okay. Oh, ISMO also, yeah, okay. Let's just talk about ISMO. I have not seen the chart actually. Oh, it has fallen. Oh, it is taking support, okay. If you see the 1 day time frame chart, right, again, yeah, it is a good chart pattern again. So if you see this thing, right, like the stock was actually having this resistance earlier, it came down, now it has given a breakout. Now this again breakout is getting tested here, okay. So this was the same logic that we use in Havells. We will be discussing that as well, and it has given a great amount, okay. So tomorrow, if you want, you can trade in ISMO as well, guys, okay. Simple logic. If you can see this thing on ISMO as well, right, so if you want, you can actually trade if it goes above this trend line. Okay, so if it goes above this swing, right, recent swing, you can actually buy this stock with the stop loss of this thing, like 86, I guess. So that is a stop loss. Yeah, 85, 85.8, or like somewhere, 85. Just keep it as 85 as a stop loss. Just 2 rupees of stop loss will be there, and you can actually trail the stock. Okay, it can actually, there is a high possibility that it can go above this thing. Okay, because this is the same stock of category of Datamatics. Okay, if you want, you can actually take the trade in this one, and possibly this stock can also make upper circuit tomorrow. I'm not assuring you, and don't go blindly doing that. Okay, only buy the quantities that you're okay to have the stop loss with. Okay, now I'm telling you frankly here, 87.5 is this price here, for example. Okay, and tomorrow if you get to purchase the stock at say 88, the stop loss is boss 85, so 3 rupees is stop loss, right? So per stock, if you're going to buy this stock, okay, you will be having a stop loss of 3 rupees. So the amount of quantities, if you're buying 100 quantities, your stop loss will be 300 rupees. So only manage those quantities that are okay to have the stop loss hit. Okay, don't oversize your positions, because if you do, then you are a double person in the universe. Okay, don't do that, please. It's a humble request. ISMO is the stock for tomorrow, guys. You can actually take an eye on this one and keep it up. OCCL, I told you yesterday only, boss, that it will be giving you good amount of profits. Okay, in the morning again, I was holding the stock, okay, from these areas. So I booked the profit somewhere today at 1110 somewhere. I remember it, because I felt that it is not going to go further up. There are some advanced chart patterns, of course. Now again, it has made a like negative wick, of course. So I feel it will be testing around 1050 again tomorrow, but that is not supposed to be shorting the position. Okay, you should be knowing, guys, when to short a stock, when to buy a stock. Okay, this is not the stock to short, and this is not the stock to buy for tomorrow. Nothing to be done. Okay, simple. Ignore this stock. But we have actually made a good amount of profits, that is for sure. ISMO, I'm telling you, this is a stock that you can take for tomorrow. After ISMO, we had actually taken Bandhan Bank, right? Bandhan Bank, I don't know what has. Oh my god. Tomorrow, please work on this stock, okay? And I feel if tomorrow banking sector's rally, boss, phad dega ye. And again, I think in one of my, like, I don't know which account, like my brothers or my mother's account, I'm having the 320 CE. Okay, I have actually mentioned that thing. Okay, those of you who don't understand options, please don't work in it. Okay, options वही करे जिसके पास जिगरा है, वरना मत करना काम। बार बार बोल रहा हूँ, ठोक के बोल के गया था। जिसको करना है भैया, जिसको अंडरस्टैंड होता है वही काम करे, ठीक है। 320 का कॉल लेके गया था, एसएल डे का लो है, वही उसी पॉइंट पे बोला था मैंने, ठीक है। So if you will see this thing, the stock is consolidating like for a crazy point, and again, believe me, whenever a stock does this thing near a resistance level, right, boom, rocket rally will come soon. Okay, so tomorrow my point is, boss, if you are holding this stock, okay, if in the very first 5 minutes or 10 minutes, if it is making a good amount of big green candle, exit immediately. Nothing to be worried about. Okay, book the profits, because this is the next resistance zone. Okay, so if you see that 330 or around that level, if it is giving you profits, exit immediately, boss. Okay, simple. Book the profits. Try to make a habit of that as well. Okay, so from 320 till 330, 10 rupees of amount of profit is very decent amount of profit. Okay, simple. Bandhan Bank is the again second stock for tomorrow. First is ISMO, second is Bandhan Bank. Next one is, guys, Divya Shakti Granites. So this is a stock which is actually performing the Divya Shaktis, of course. So it is giving us good profits. We actually purchased the stock at 63. Now the stock is trading at 67. I was expecting that it is going to give us like 70 to 75 or 80 as well. So still holding the stock. Okay, nothing to worry about. Okay, I'm holding it with a stop loss of 60 now. Earlier the stop loss was 56. Now I have actually shifted my stop loss to 60. Okay, so if you want, you can actually do the same. How to do the stop loss, how to shift the stop loss, guys? Simply place a GTT order of stop loss in the Zerodha. Simple. If you don't know how to do it out, simply check a lot of videos on YouTube. You'll be finding it out. Okay, how to place a GTT stop loss order on the Zerodha. That is all. Okay. India Mart. People will say, "Oh, Samaria, you said us to buy the stock now. Today the stock has fallen." I mentioned you one thing, boss, yesterday. Just because if you are buying the stock, that does not necessarily mean the stock has to go rallying, from that point. ऐसा नहीं होता भाई. Now this is again an opportunity to buy the stock, because I'm telling you this thing is coming very soon. I don't know when. Possibly next day, tomorrow it can happen. It can happen 1 or 2 weeks later as well. But this thing is coming for sure. Okay. The only people who will be getting this big rally is only those people who have actually taken this opportunity into Encash, who have actually used the brain to hold this stock at an earlier stage. That is all I'm asking. Hold the stock at a critical area of support with the less amount of stop loss, and that is all I ask. Okay, and again I'm telling you, this is a futuristic stock. with a very great fundamentals and a very great business model. Okay, so if you want, you can have the stock for the long term investment as well, and there is no denying if it becomes the next MRF. Okay, it is up to you. I'm not 100% sure that it will be going up till 80,000 levels, but again, if it does, boss, it is not a surprise. Okay, but again, I'm expecting good returns from the stock. Okay, for the longer run. So if you're not having this stock in your portfolio, आपका घाटा मेरा कुछ नहीं जाता. ठीक है. After that, guys, yeah, a lot of people who have not actually opened this like angel broking demat account, guys, this is a great opportunity for you. Open the demat account, guys, with this 31st July of link. Okay, the simple link is bit.ly/Samaria demat. Open the demat account, guys, as soon as you can, and again, you will be getting 7,999, almost 8,000 rupees of additional free benefits from the angel broking account if you open the link from my this link. Okay, like there are these simple features: free opening account. Okay, Zerodha actually charges you 300 to 400 rupees, and other demat accounts also they charge you, to 500 to 700 or even 1,000 rupees also. Sometimes some brokers charge. Okay, there is no brokerage for 1 month, guys. You will be exempted totally, guys. Not even a single rupee will be charged. No annual maintenance service charges. Some brokers actually charge you like say 1,000 rupees or 800 rupees or even 1,500 rupees as well annually, but there is no annual maintenance charge. Okay, then is free delivery trading for lifetime. So that is a benefit. Okay, that most of the brokers are giving. So is Angel. So there is nothing special about it. Okay, discount in mentorship program. Okay, so if you are opening the demat account from my link, actually you will be getting additional discount. Okay, so all you have simply supposed to do is just simply send me the link. That is all. आफ्टर दैट गाइज IDFC बैंक ले लो जितना ले सकते हो, बाद में मत बोलना बताया नहीं. CNC होल्डिंग की बात कर रहा हूँ, F&O की नहीं. ठीक है. I was telling you to buy IDFC bank yesterday as well, so those of you who have bought, simple, good. IDFC First Bank, guys, this is a good stock. Okay, I'm holding it up. I'm accumulating because this is accumulation zone from this is accumulation zone from 50. Okay, so there is no denying if it will be coming almost till if it like कल जहर निकलन प्रक्रिया अगर होती है और अगर कहीं नीचे जाता है ना, तो थोड़ा और ऐड कर लेना, बिकॉज आई फील दिस माइट बी द लास्ट लेग ऑफ दिस entire zone. Okay, after that the rally will be coming. It will be a smooth and steady rally. Okay, I feel so. Okay, this is how actually the chart patterns behave, boss. Okay, I cannot tell you that from this point onwards this is going to be going skyrocketing. Okay, if I know that already, why will I be here? Okay, boss, I will be actually be selling everything that I have, the assets, and will be channelizing the entire money in that single stock, right? If I would be knowing today that Datamatics is going to be giving 20% circuits, I will be like buying Datamatics only from the very beginning in the morning, right? I was not knowing, or I was not aware, boss. But again, there are some certain indications that you can actually think and that you can actually channelize, right, with the brain. Okay, so I recommend you to learn the chart basics, right? Learn the price action, learn the trading mindset, learn the psychology, learn the behavior analysis. Because based off all those things, once you learn together, right, that is how you will be making a successful trading or like investment portfolio. Okay, simple. Without these things combined, you will not be getting anything. Okay, simple. Just learning how the hell RSI works, how the hell MACD works, और how the hell candlestick pattern work, इससे काम नहीं चलेगा मेरे भाई. सब कुछ सीखना पड़ेगा. मेरे से सीख लो या किसी और से सीख लो, बाकी तुम्हारी मर्जी है. Okay, so this is a penny stock, premium stock, available for 3 rupees. It has already made a upper circuit, boss. Nothing can be done now. 25, 30, 50, the upside potential is there, boss. MEP done. Escorts was a good trade, boss. This was another trade. Actually, I bought it at 1192. The stop loss was only 2 rupees, 1190. If you want me to show you Escorts, see this thing. This is how we did it, boss. Can you see this thing? I told the trade somewhere here, I guess. Yeah, I remember the chart pattern. Somewhere here, actually, I told it 1192. This was the point. So somewhere here, boss, we actually entered in the trade. Okay, and there was this stop loss of only 2 rupees and a gigantic huge rally of like 15 points has come up. Okay, and I actually exited somewhere here 1202, somewhere here I exited, and a couple of other students actually also took the trade, and they were actually sending me the screenshots later on. So that is good, boss. If you're making good amount of money, boss, simple, keep learning. Inox Wind also had made a good amount of money. 110 was the target, guys. I had mentioned this thing earlier. Good chart of Inox Wind. I told this price when it was at 94 only. Okay, and I was telling that 110 is coming very soon. So in front of you, live, boss. Nothing else to be told. Maza aaya. So only these are the people who actually took the initiative, and remaining 81 people, if you're not doing the trades, boss, I cannot help you. Okay, You will only be making money if you take the trades, boss. Just because somebody is giving you trades ideas or someone else is giving you trade ideas, they will be making money, boss, or they will be making the losses. You will only be watching for the rest of your life. I have told you this thing, like all the trading ideas that I'm giving you, right? Just take one single stock of that and check out the performance of those stocks after 1 month. You will be getting to see a lot of good amount of greenery, okay, in your account. VGuard as well, guys. I was telling you that it is going to be giving you good amount of profits. Buy VGuard at, I told, at 259. Even I have not seen the stock later on. मैं सो गया था यार. अभी उठा ही हूँ मैं बस. मैं सो गया था 2 बजे के करीबन. पता नहीं, याद नहीं करता. VGuard is still a buy, boss. 1236 VGuard was told, right? 1236, somewhere here around. Okay, still it is a buy. Okay, if you want me to show you the bigger time frame chart, boss, this is also going to be making a like beautiful OCS setup, I feel, because it is acting as a very critical support area. Okay, this is a support area, guys, so it can actually give you a very great turnaround. So this is a third stock for tomorrow. Okay, if you want to trade, if you see that these are the swings that are getting taken out. Okay, like if it sustains and if it goes above 260 262, guys, you will be seeing a fantastic rally in this VGuard tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow is Thursday. Oh, tomorrow is Friday. So short covering or whatever you name it, guys, a lot of people who are actually selling the stock for such a long time, a short covering effect can be seen. Okay, so this is what can happen. Okay, tomorrow after ISMO, after second stock I forgot, this is the third stock, that is VGuard. Okay, you can actually Bandhan Bank, this is the third stock, VGuard. Okay, for tomorrow intraday, so keep an eye on this stock. One more important stock, guys, I had told you to buy Syngene a couple days ago, and this is what it has happened today. Can you see this thing on a daily time frame chart? There is a huge big green candle. Here is the Syngene. Syngene. Okay, on this trade, actually it was told on, I don't know, 8th or 9th of July, buy Syngene. Okay, around 580 581 we bought it out, guys. Okay, 614 625 it has made the high. Tomorrow, like, it can either take a halt or it can still continue. So tomorrow, if you want, we can trade in this stock again. Okay, because this is a critical resistance zone. Okay, guys, so this is a resistance zone. It has actually almost given the closing here, and it is a critical area here. So tomorrow, if you see the rally coming up, you can actually take the trade on this one as well. I leave it up to you. I don't know, tomorrow it can be giving a halt candle or it can continue after tomorrow. I don't know, Monday as well. So if you're still holding the stock, it is a good stock to hold. It can actually show you levels of 650 700 as well in the coming days, provided the fact if you're still holding the stock. Okay, but I will suggest you to book some partial profits as well. Okay, in this stock, that is what I will suggest you. Weekend is coming, guys, so those of you who are not actually taking the participation in the polls actively, they will be removed from this group by the bot. So बाद में मेरे को मत बोलना, don't come crying to me, boss, oh I have been removed from this group, please add me again. I cannot add you. Okay, this is not in my hands. Okay, so understand this thing. If you want to stay in this group, make sure you do the polls on a daily basis. BCG 376%, guys, return in front of you. Simple. Cryptocurrencies, guys, I was taking a trade, and just in like this is a 7 days portfolio. Okay, it started from 0. Now my portfolio is 75% up, all live in front of you. We have talked about a lot of stocks. I've discussed with you what are the best opportunities for tomorrow as well. First is Bandhan Bank, second is ISMO, then is VGuard. Havells, yeah, I wanted to discuss Havells actually. So Havells, guys, we have discussed yesterday, right, somewhere here, and I was telling you that, boss, यहाँ से breakout हुआ है. It has actually come down to the testing of breakout, and it will be giving the good rally, right? So again, if you will see this thing, there was a non-stop rally, boss, for the Havells. And unfortunately, I was busy with other stocks, so I didn't actually track the stock. But somewhere here around like 12 p.m. or so, actually, when I saw the stock, boss, it was at the day's high. So I was good to see that it has made a good amount of profits to all the people who would have actually traded it up. So those of you who made the profits in Havells, just comment below. Havells, batti jag gayi hogi tum sabhi ki. So that is all, guys, in this video. The video is 40 minutes long, boss. If you are liking the content, if you are watching my videos daily basis, if you are learning, guys, please make sure you like the channel, you subscribe the channel, and you do share it with your friends, your families, and your foes as well, if you want them to succeed. So that is all, guys, in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Till the time I see you next video. So bye bye.